So this is a 97 Buick Skylark. This is the purge control emissions valve, and it needs to be replaced to pass emissions. I searched YouTube for a location on it, and because of the sunlight and because of the location, it's going to be difficult to see, but I finally found it here underneath in the back, right below where my thumb is. And I apologize that you can't see it. I don't have any way to light that up. But it's held in by a square thing and a tang that you have to push down. That tang catches on this and keeps it from coming apart. Once you push that down, it slides right out. You're going to disconnect these three, reconnect them to this one, and then push that tang up and slide this back on, and it will stay there. So I looked all over YouTube for this video to find this location. I could not find it, but this is the Buick Skylark 1997 3100 SFI V6. Aside from patience and a small flathead, you really don't need a whole lot, because the small flathead has to get in there to push that dip down to get that. Again, I apologize for not really being able to see much in there, but it's a difficult place to get to, and I'm working on it in my front road. Hope this helps somebody.